Meaning of equine.
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 Equine. The word equine refers to anything related to horses or resembling a horse. It is commonly used in the fields of veterinary medicine, equestrian sports, and animal husbandry. The term can refer to physical characteristics, such as the shape of a hoof or the structure of a skull, or to behavioral traits, such as a horse's gait or temperament. Additionally, equine-related industries contribute significantly to many countries' economies, with horse breeding, racing, and recreational activities all being popular pursuits. Overall, equine has deep roots in human history and culture due to the long-standing relationship between horses and humans.